All right, boys and girls, can I have you guys all stand up on your feet? So if you guys remember, we used our balance scale, I think it was last week, and we weighed some things, and we used the words heavier and lighter. So let's pretend like we are a balance scale. Let's put our arms out again. And let's pretend like it'll be your left side over here is heavier. What do we do if this side over here is heavier? Oh, we are going to go that way. Good job. All right, what if our right side is heavier? Which direction are we going to go? Oh, great job. What if they weighed the same? What do we do then? Oh, great job. Okay, can you guys find your seats? Thank you for sitting so quietly. All right, we're going to go over our word that we have been using all day and a little bit on Friday. Exactly. So the definition for exactly is the same amount. Can you guys say that?
Exactly means the same amount.
Oh, wow. Good job, you guys. All right, now we have to think of a sentence that we can use the word exactly in. Remember, we've done other examples with different words. So I want you to think in your head. Put your thinking cap on for a second. And I want you to turn and talk to your neighbor. Well, then, good job solving the problem. Okay, can I have your eyes on me for a quick second? There's one thing that I'm hearing is that you guys are talking about a prediction again. Can we think of a sentence that has exactly in it? So I could say, me and Miss Clyburn are exactly the same height. That means we are exactly the same height. So I want you to think of a sentence that has the word exactly in it. Okay, turn and talk to your neighbor again. Think of a sentence. All right, great job. And you guys did a great job whispering too. Okay, let's see. Layla, do you have a sentence that has the word exactly in it? Can you think of one? Did you talk to a neighbor?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to call on someone else. I want you to keep thinking now because I might throw your name again. Logan, do you have a sentence with exactly in it?
3 and 3 are exactly.
Oh, they're exactly the same. Good. That's a great sentence. All right, Jace, do you have a sentence for us? What were you talking about? Okay, you guys, we've got to think of some sentences. Austin, do you have a sentence for us?
But I don't remember what I said.
You don't remember your sentence? Okay, we'll try one more friend. Christopher.
Like 55 has 2 5.
2 5s, they are exactly the same number. Is that what we could say? All right, you guys, good job with your sentence. Okay. Carrie.
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same. So let's practice that signal word again. Exactly. Exactly the same amount. Exactly. Good job. Okay, so we're going to look at our what y square over here. So today we are going to compare objects by weight again and use a couple of one new vocabulary word. So I want you to turn and talk to your neighbor. What are we doing today? Layla, you've got to find someone to talk to. Riley, why don't you talk to Layla? She needs someone to turn and talk to. All right, friends, I'm going to draw out a name. What are we learning today, Austin? What are we learning today?
I don't know.
What are we learning? What did I say about this thing? Do you remember? Okay, Austin, we've got to listen, okay? Logan, I'm drawing some of the same people. Logan, what are we learning about today?
Wait.
Weight. We are learning about weight. Okay, now Why is it important that we learn about comparing weight? Turn and talk with your neighbor. Why is it important that we are learning about comparing weight? Jace, why don't you sit up, buddy? He's coming back. Okay, you guys do such a great job turning and talking.
Christopher.
I know, I got Christopher. Christopher, I know you weren't here. Why is it important that we learn about comparing weights?
Because the word is the writing is good.
Writing is good, okay. But remember, we used our balance scale here last time, and we compared things that were heavier and lighter than. Why is it important that we can compare weights?
Because let's look like you can put something like a toy or a racer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's what we did last time, right? Okay. Carrie, why is it important that we can compare weights?
Find new ways to compare the weight.
We can find new ways to compare weights, and you know what? Today we're actually going to do that. Yes, Morelia?
Or we can learn how much it weighs.
So we can learn how much something weighs, yes?
There's many ways to do it.
Yeah, there are, and I'm going to call on Madison.
Because I can learn to do it even longer.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you guys.
Somebody's head of their snowman is right.
It's okay. Just put it up on the counter, please, and then come join us. All right.
And two.
Oh, friend
Ones are right.
Jace, this is not a good time. Please put those away and then come join us. All right. So it is important for us to be able to compare weights. So, you guys, eyes are up here, please. Eyes are up here. Thank you very much. It's important for us to compare weights because when we go to the store, maybe we need to know how much something weighs. And when we are going on a trip, we need to know how much our suitcase weighs because there's only so much weight you can take on an airplane. So these are some reasons that we actually need to learn about weight. So what I'd like us to do is I'm going to say our signal word, and then we're going to sit in a big circle so everyone can see the middle. Okay? Exactly.
Exactly the same amount. Exactly.
Good job.
Can I please blow my nose?
You don't need to ask me to do that. You can go take care of that. Okay. Big circle, guys.
I'm going to scoop out a little.
All right.
I knew you were.
I'm going to scoop out a little. Let's scoop by you.
All right, friends. Michaela, can I have you sit over here so you can see better? There we go. Okay. So I have a couple of weights here. And I'm actually, first, I want to ask you guys, have you ever been to the store? I want you to think about this, and if you have, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Have you ever been to the store and bought some fruit or some vegetables, and you have to put them on the scale, and it shows you how much it weighs? Give me a thumbs up if you have ever had that. All right. So I want you to turn and talk with your neighbor and tell them about an experience you've had with a scale, okay? All right. Okay, good job, you guys. All right, so I'm going to tell you guys, I went to the store and I bought some potatoes. So I have some potatoes here in this bag. And in order to find out how much they weigh, I need to use a scale. So this one right here, you guys can see that black one?
Yeah.
This is a digital scale. So I just turn it on, and there's a lot of different, oh, can you guys see it? Here, I'll put it out there more. Oh, sit back please, Riley. Sit back on your pocket so everyone can see, please. And then you put, it says 0, and you put the weight on, or the objects on, and it'll tell you how much it weighs. So it's just about 16 ounces, which is a pound. So that's how the digital one works.
Hey,
Okay.
it said ounces on gold for us.
It did. All right, I'll turn that off later. So, and this is another type of scale. This scale is an analog scale. So I'm going to put it on. You might not all be able to see this, but that red little line is at 0. When I put them on, I'm going to have Jace. Can you tell us what it ends up at? Can you see? Can you tell? What number is it ending on? How about,
Hey, you're moving
sorry, I moved it.
it. I can't see, Logan.
Okay,
It's 400.
below, yeah, below it says 1 LB, and LB stands for pound. Okay, everyone make sure you're sitting back on your pockets. So, who can raise their hand and tell me how heavy are these potatoes? Layla? No, not 400 pounds. I'm trying to, that's kilograms, okay? So, it's 400 kilograms or 1 pound. Can you guys say 1 pound?
1 pound.
So, our goal today, we're done using these. I'm going to put them back in the bag because our goal today is to find objects around our room that weigh the same amount as these potatoes. And how much do these potatoes weigh? 1 pound, not 400 pounds.
No,
Okay?
it's gonna say 400.
So we are going to use our balance scale. So it's
Yeah.
it's equal. So I'm going to put the potatoes in one side, and then you are going to find something to put in the other side. So let's review our words again. Can you guys say lighter?
Lighter.
So if it's lighter than 1 pound, you can tell me what that means. Madison?
It means that there's something on one side and there's nothing on the other side.
Okay, so actually we have a little bear here, and he's going up, right? And then there's 1 pound, and that's going down. So is the bear lighter or heavier than 1 pound?
Lighter than 1 pound.
Yeah, well, it's lighter than 1 pound. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
All
we
right,
can't
so
use
this will
them?
be a lighter than. All right, heavier than 1 pound. So look at that. Look, heavier than 1 pound. So who can tell me what the word heavier means? Can you sit back? Can you kind of sit back? Austin, do you know what heavier means?
That means if it's
Is the book heavier than the 1 pound? How do you know?
because
Is it going down or up?
down.
It's going down. The book is going down, so the book is heavier. So I'm going to put heavier over here. I need to spread these out a little more. Okay. Oh, exactly 1 pound. What does exactly mean? Exactly.
The same amount.
Oh, so exactly is going to be something the same amount. Our goal is to try to find something exactly 1 pound. And Riley's doing a great job at sitting here, so I think I'm going to have her go first. Everyone's going to have a chance. Not yet. Hold on. I want you to first, everyone, look around the room and think of something you can bring back that is exactly 1 pound. Nope, don't go anywhere yet. Turn and talk to your neighbor. What is something that you can bring back? Okay, and here's something else I can tell you guys. If you want to bring back a couple of blocks, you can do that too.
Okay.
All right, so before you go, why don't you feel to see exactly how much a pound is? Is that heavy or light? What do you think?
Heavy.
Is it heavy? Okay, do you think you know something that you can go and get and bring back?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead and try to find something.
No, that's light.
Riley, I saw you tried picking up our warm fuzzies over there. Why did you decide that was not a pound?
Because it was light.
Was it way too light? Okay, why don't you bring that over? Do you want to put it in gently in this side? Okay. That's pretty heavy, right? Now the hard thing is, hold this down a little bit. So we can put it in there. All right.
Oh! Hey!
All right, so what happened, Riley? Is it lighter than a pound, exactly 1 pound, or heavier than a pound? Oh, Jace, sit down, please. Okay, can you say what that says?
Lighter than
One pound.
potato.
1 pound of potatoes. So let's all say the crayon cup is lighter than 1 pound. Because our potatoes are represented.
I put Adam's cup in
Could you
here.
put that back in there? All right, I'm going to see if... Okay, go ahead, sweetie. Morelia, would you like to go next? Why don't you feel to see how heavy 1 pound is? Not that heavy? Okay, let's see if you can find something. And if you are waiting to go, I want you to look around the room. Maybe you need to think of something else. Do you think that's about the same? Okay, why don't you put it, oh, this hasn't equaled out. Okay, why don't you put it in one side? Yeah, very gentle.
Whoa.
Oh, okay, so what's going to happen?
Heavier. Heavier.
Morelia, do you want to move over so everyone can see there? Thank you. What do you think, Morelia? Is it lighter than 1 pound, exactly 1 pound, or heavier than 1 pound? Is it lighter than 1 pound, exactly 1 pound, or heavier than 1 pound?
Lighter.
It's lighter. Okay, so let's all say that. The sign is lighter than 1 pound. Thank you. Okay, Christopher, do you want to come to see how heavy this is? All right.
It was really heavy.
That's not really heavy to you either? Okay. All right, let's see if you can find something.
I'm really skinny.
Oh, you are. Okay, see if you can find something that is the same as that 1 pound that you just felt.
I was
You think the bear's going to be the same? Okay. Oh, the bear does have some beans in it, so maybe that'll add.
No.
So, is the bear lighter than 1 pound, exactly 1 pound, or heavier than 1 pound? Oh, yep. Let him use his own brain. Please sit back on your pockets.
Lighter.
Lighter. Okay, so let's all say that the bear is lighter than 1 pound. All right, Carrie, I'm going to have you hold it. Oh, can you put the bear back, sir? Thank you.
That heavy.
Not that heavy? Okay, can you give it to Layla too? We're going to do a couple at the same time. How heavy is that? Not that heavy. I think it's kind of heavy. Okay, let's see if both of you can find something. We can speed it up just a little bit.
And then I'm next.
Just one of them?
What are you putting in there?
You think that's going to be the same as this?
You're putting carrots.
Oh, careful. So I want you to really think about that, Layla. Does that feel like it's going to be about the same as this? Do you think so? Feel this again. Do you think they feel about the same way? Maybe we should go find something else.
I'm just going to put a lot.
Oh, he wants to put a lot of these in here. Okay. All right. That's a good idea. So why are you putting more than just one in?
Let's like it.
You just like it, or do you think? Oh, wait for your turn. Okay.
it's heavier.
You think it'll be heavier? Okay, boys and girls, sit back. Oh, you want to put more in? Oh, he's gonna put more in.
This is one. Carrie, I think we're gonna win.
More.
I think we're
Is
gonna
that
win.
Yeah.
No, you're gonna put more in? It's probably a good idea. This pound is pretty heavy.
So I feel it's kind of heavy. So now I'm putting some more.
More. Okay. Make sure we're sitting up, please. All right.
More.
Full. All right, we keep losing there. Okay, let's find out. That is a good idea though, because those are kind of light. You put so many in there too. I thought they might at least be the same. So, oh, we're doing two separate ones. Is it the same amount?
No.
Is it exactly the same? Or is it lighter than 1 pound?
Lighter.
Okay. So let's, boys and girls, can you please sit on your pockets and sit in your spot? Can you put this away, please? Just dump them in there.
Yep.
All right.
I would put it.
Okay, real quick. Swing it on to the next person. All right, here we go.
Don't cut yourself. That's one.
All right, go ahead and put it in. Let's not touch. Oh, what do you think, Layla? Lighter than 1 pound. No one has made it exactly 1 pound yet. Okay, Jace. Feel to see how heavy that is.
Barely.
So it might not be too heavy for you, but compared to other things, is it heavy? So compared to your pencil, is it heavy? Yeah, so would you get your pencil?
No.
No. Okay, let's see what you can find. Michaela, why don't you come and feel it too so we can speed this up.
I'm trying to get it.
It's a little heavy. No, we're not doing the same. We have to do something different. Think of something different because we've already compared it and it wasn't heavy enough.
Is there even anything in there? Oh, so.
Jason, let's find something or I'll move on to someone else, okay? Michaela, you can find something too. Gotta think, what is heavier than, or exactly 1 pound?
We put a lot in there.
Hey Jace, you just got a couple more seconds. You need to find something that you can bring over. Jace, want to try my water bottle?
I was gonna try that,
try
but
that?
I didn't know that you would.
Let you do that. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna. Michaela brought over the warm fuzzies. She wants to try it out anyways. Okay. So I'm going to put our pound in. Oh, it fell off. It's so heavy there. Fell off. Okay. And let's see. What do you think, Michaela?
Way lighter.
Lighter than 1 pound. Okay. So let's say that. The warm fuzzies are lighter than 1 pound. Okay, Michaela, can you put those back? All right, let's find out with my water bottle.
It's pretty heavy.
It is pretty heavy. Okay, please don't touch. All right, Jace, what is this one?
Heavier.
The water bottle is heavier than 1 pound. Good job, you guys. Uh-oh. Oh, thank you. Thanks for being very careful with that. All right, Madison. Okay, go find something. Austin. And I'm going to have, Logan, I'm going to have you find one too, okay? Let's see.
Oh,
about how
totally
heavy
heavy.
It is pretty heavy, I know. Jace, what should you be doing right now, bud? Can you find your spot again, please? Thank you. And Addison, did you want to turn too? Scooch back a little. Okay, go find something.
A lot of people are up.
Okay, you guys. I don't know. The potatoes are a little
My
big.
hand.
Oh, can we please not play with that? Thank you.
My hand was having the other.
Okay.
Of course, because there's nothing in there.
All right. I don't think that's going to fit in our scale, but that is a good idea.
Did I put a hole right here?
Okay, Addison found something she wants to weigh, so we'll start with Addison. Okay, so we got
found
our
the
lunch
cup, the
tickets.
cup. I got the cup in green. It's red.
Okay, we'll put that down here and we'll try that in a minute. You want to try that? Okay. All right, so let's find out if the lunch tickets are exactly £1.
Not again.
What do you think, Addison? Is it lighter than £1? Sit down. Exactly £1 or heavier than £1? Please sit up. Lighter. Can we all say that together? The lunch tickets are lighter than £1. All right, take that back. And Austin, you brought this to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if our straws. Oh no, what are they?
Oh, no, not
The
again.
straws are
Okay, just sit down. Final one. Okay. You know what? I think we need to take a quick reminder. Can you show me what a learning position is on the carpet? We're crisscross, our hands are at our lap. We're never laying down. And when someone's talking, we need to have a bubble in our mouth because that's being respectful to the person talking. Can you say that again for us?
This. Wait, what
The
is that?
straws,
The straws lighter
then £1.
than £1.
Okay, can you put the straws? And let's all say that. The straws are lighter than £1.
You got a lot of straws.
Okay, I'm going to first do Logan brought over our fake phone. What do you think? Lighter?
It's lighter than £1.
Okay. Jace, this is your final warning. Next time I'm going to have Jace.
Going back there.
I know that's because it's heavy, okay? You see how heavy that is? All right, so but I need you to sit on your pockets, okay? All right, so let's say it. The phone is lighter than £1. Good job. And then you got the little stress ball or star. What do you think? Good sentence. Okay, let's all say that. The stress ball is lighter than £1. Wow, so overall, can you guys tell me if we had more that were lighter than £1, exactly £1, or heavier than £1? Let me see with your thumbs. Were there more lighter than £1, exactly, or heavier? You know, we only had one that was heavier and then the rest were lighter. You guys did a great job. Okay, when I say our signal word, I want you to go back to your row. Let me move these out of the way. Exactly.
Exactly the same amount. Exactly.
Good job. Find your row.
I'm right here.
Good job. Okay. Go take a seat, Benny.
Exactly.
Can you use all the split?
Oh.
Zoo.
All right, boys and girls. So real quick, let's review before we go get our binders. Let's review the 3 different phrases we used when we were comparing measurement. Jace, I want you to sit down, please. Thank you. All right, so the first one was lighter than. Can we use our hands and let's pretend like your right hand, which is over here, is lighter than your left. What would it look like? If this hand over here was lighter. Oh, you are right. If your arm went down, you were correct. Because that is lighter than. Can you guys say lighter than £1?
Lighter than £1.
Good job. Okay, so if it's exactly £1, oh, you guys are doing a good job. That's right. They would be even. Exactly £1. Rose, you can come find your seat real quick, okay? And then what about heavier than £1? Let's pretend like our right hand was heavier than £1. What would it look like?
What are we doing?
That's right. Mallory, come in quietly, please. All right, when I say our signal word, I need you to click down. You are not following directions, buddy. I'm sorry. I will take care of it. When I say our signal word, I want you to go get your Viking binder and fill out today's date, which is the 12th. Exactly. Exactly.